Hi and welcome back to Lock Picker 69. In the files today I've got this American lock and it's a series L50. This is one of the padlocks stareylock sent me, and if you don't know who stareylock is, I will link you down to his channel down below, so please do go check him out. And this is a double-sided wafer lock. It does work. That does work lovely and smooth, and it's got quite a strong spring in the core, as you can see. It does open. I won't actually be gutting this one because I don't actually feel confident enough to take this one apart, as steel pinnings, I do apologise for that, has done a very informative video on how to remove these and how to sort of reassemble them. And due to the tight sort of spring behind the plug, it can be a bit of a ball ache. So I will link you to that channel if you want to go and see that video. And I'm just working from top to bottom along the wafers. Slight turn on the core. There we have it. I don't know if you can see the little screw down the bottom. Apparently if you take that out, something like a little key pin or driver pin will sort of drop out, allowing you to pull the core out. But if you go check the video that Steel Pinnings has done, he will explain it a lot better than me. There you go guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again soon.